Hi guys, today we are here in Camp Freendale. This is a private creekside campground located near Santa Paula in Ventura County, Southern California. Upon entering, you will see the creek. After an hour of traveling, we took our first rest under the tree. We chose a spot near the gate of the campsite and beside the creek. It's so nice to sit beneath a tree, listening to the soothing sounds of birds and gentle wind with the peaceful flow of water in the creek nearby. After resting, we took a walk up to the higher area of the campsite. We are eager to explore the view from above. These are the other spots in the campsite. From the higher point of the campsite, the view was absolutely stunning. Trees stretching endlessly, the creek winding below, and the peaceful sounds of nature all around.
So confident, like on a catwalk. No fear motos. Be careful.
This was our view from the bed in the back of the car. Thank you for watching.